Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We're going to demonstrate on a Ford F-150. This specifically is a 2012 year model we'll be demonstrating on. But even if you have a different year that generation, it may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. The first one is under the hood, right above the radiator. We don't need this one today. We need to open the one that's inside the cabin. On the passenger side, in the footwell, underneath the glove box, on the right side, okay, where that kick panel is, remove the plastic, open the fuse box, and it will look just like that. That's what we need, guys. We zoomed it so we can show you clearly everything with a great detail. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
We need to check two fuses specifically, guys. Okay, we're going to come in that row right here. The first fuse will be fuse number 17. So if you start from the very top to bottom, you count 17, and even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that one. Or if you come from the bottom to top, it will be that second fuse, guys, that 10M fuse right here. Will be for the left headlight right here, guys. Check this fuse. Second fuse from bottom to top, 10M fuse. Now we have one more fuse. It will be in the third row right here for the high beams, and that fuse specifically, guys, will be that last 15M fuse that you will need to check specifically for your Ford F.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.